गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. लोकसेवा विद्या मंदिर व कनिष्ठ महाविद्यालय मंद्रुप स्टडी फ्रॉम होम अंतर्गत व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपच्या माध्यमातून आपण दररोज वेगवेगळ्या विषयाचा अभ्यास करतात. आज आपल्याला गणित मॅथमॅटिक्स या विषयाचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. फ्रेंड्स, तुम्ही 8वीपर्यंत मॅथमॅटिक्स विषय अभ्यासलेला आहात. आता 9वी आणि 9th आणि 10th स्टँडर्डला मॅथमॅटिक्सचे एकूण 2 पार्ट होतात, मॅथ्स 1 अँड मॅथ्स 2. मॅथ्स फर्स्टमध्ये आपल्याला अल्जेब्राचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे आणि मॅथ्स 2मध्ये जॉमेट्रीचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. आता जॉमेट्रीचा अभ्यास आपण या ठिकाणी करणार आहोत. आता जॉमेट्रीचा मिनिंग पहा. जिओमेट्री याचा अर्थ जिओ मीन्स जमीन किंवा जमीन आणि मेट्री म्हणजे मापन. जमिनीचा मापनाचा अभ्यास म्हणजेच आपल्याला जॉमेट्री असे म्हणता येईल. फ्रेंड्स, मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 2 मधील पहिला टॉपिक आहे बेसिक कन्सेप्ट इन जॉमेट्री. वी हॅव टू सीन सम बेसिक कन्सेप्ट इन जॉमेट्री. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज अ point, line and plane. Second point is coordinates of a points and distance. Third point betweenness. Fourth point conditional statement and proof. Today we see about only 2 points. First point is point, line and plane, and second one is the coordinates of points and distance. Friends, let's learn basic concept in geometry. There are some 3 points of basic concept: points, line and plane. Friends, we know we do not define numbers. Similarly, we do not define a points, line or plane also. Suppose first one is a point. What is meant by point? Point means when we put the pen on a plain paper, that means point. It is a point, and this is also second point. And point we denote the capital letters A to Z. That means this is a point A, or it is a point B, or point D. Similarly, point X to Z. And line means shortest distance between, or point of shortest distance between 2 points. That means a straight line. And plane means any plain paper or blackboard or mobile screen. Friends, today's second point is coordinates of a points and distance. The first one is what is meant by coordinates of points. We have seen the number lines. There are some points here -5 to up to +5. In left sides are negative number and right sides are positive number. We know that from left to right numbers are larger number, or from right to left numbers are smaller number. We have seen some capital letters here now: A, B, C, O, D and E. Now first we see about coordinates of points. What is by coordinates of points? Suppose now here it is a D. Now D denotes the point 1. That means 1 is the coordinates of D. And similarly again, point A denotes the number -5. Therefore coordinates of A is -5. And what is the coordinates of B? Coordinates of B is -3. And similarly coordinates of C is -2 and coordinates of E is 3. Friends, now we have to find the distance between any 2 points. Now here show that point D and point E. We have to find the distance between point D and E. First we know the coordinates of point D. Coordinates of point D is +1 and coordinates of point E is +3. How to find distance between 2 points? Distance between 2 points means subtraction of larger number to smaller number. Now here larger number is 3 and smaller number is 1, and distance between DE is 3 minus 1. That means distance between D and E is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. By formula, distance between D and E is equal to 2. By observation we can find distance between D. From D to E, how many points? We can count the how many points. From D to E, see 1 and 2. Therefore distance between D is 2. And how to write distance between 2 points D and E? See here, distance between D and E, that means distance E and D. D means distance or L means length. Distance between ED is equal to larger number is 3 minus smaller number is 1 is equal to 2. And distance between D is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. We can write DED or length ED, or similarly distance DE is equal to 2. Similarly, take another example. Take any 2 points, suppose point C and suppose point D. We have to find distance between CD or DC. First, find the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C is -2 and coordinates of D is +1. We have to find the distance between CD. We find first larger number minus smaller number. Now here larger number is 1 and smaller number is -2. We have to find distance between C and D. We subtract larger number to smaller number. Now here larger number is 1 minus smaller number is -2. That means 1 minus minus is plus, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Distance between C and D is +3. By observation method, we find the number of points between C and D, that means distance of the point CD. Let's count C to D points 1, 2 and 3. Therefore 3 points between C and D, hence distance between CD is 3. See again how to write distance between CD. Now here example CD, distance between CD is equal to 1, larger number is 1, again minus smaller number is -2, and 1 minus minus plus 2, that means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and hence distance between CD or length of CD is equal to 3. Similarly, we can write distance DC is equal to 3. In this way, again consider another example. Suppose we have to find distance between 2 points A. Suppose we have to find distance between 2 points A and B. Now first find the coordinates of A. Coordinates of point A is -5 and coordinates of B is -3. We have to find distance between A and B. By observation method, count between how many points between A and B. See here, from A to B 1 and 2. Distance between AB is 2. By calculation method, now we have find distance AB, larger number minus smaller number. Now here -5 and between -3, larger number is -3 and smaller number is -5. We have to find distance between AB is equal to larger number -3, again minus smaller number is -5. This is equal to this -3, again minus minus plus 5, that means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Hence distance between AB is +2. Now here see again, distance between AB is, number of points are 1 and 2 is equal to, therefore distance between 2 points A and B is 2. See here distance between, now let's find distance AB. Now here coordinates of A is -5 and coordinates of B is -3. Now here -3 is larger than -5, hence distance between AB is -3 and -5, that means -3 plus 5 is equal to 2. Hence distance between AB or BA is equal to 2. From this above example, it is clear that distance between any two points is always positive number. That means distance never negative number. And again, if the two numbers or 2 points are not distinct, that means same number, then the distance between them is 0. Now remember this, distance between 2 points obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinates from the larger coordinate. That means smaller number subtract from larger number. And second point one, distance between any 2 points is non-negative real number. That means distance between any 2 point always positive. In this way we have to solve some example between find the distance between distance with the help of number line given below. Friends, we are given some number lines. In number lines there are some points -5 in left side, -5 and right side up to +6. There are some capital letters like Q, P, K, J, H, O, A, B, C, D and E. First example, consider we have to find distance between B and E. We have to find distance between B means distance between 2 points B and E. First find the coordinates of B. Coordinates of B is -2. Coordinates of B is +2 and coordinates of E is 5. We have to find distance between B. How to find distance between B? Subtract larger number and minus smaller number. Now here larger number is 5 and smaller number is 2. Therefore 5 minus 2 get answer is 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. By observation method, how many points between B and E? Now here from B to E 1, 2 and 3. Hence answer is 3. Similarly, find the distance between any 2 points. Suppose last example, distance between Q and B. First find the coordinates of Q and B. Now here points Q is here. Coordinates of point Q is -5. In this way we have to find the distance between 2 points Q and B. First coordinates of Q is -5 and coordinates of B is +2. Now here larger number is +2 and smaller number is -5. We have to find distance between QP by method of calculation. Subtract smaller number from larger number. Now here larger number is +2 and smaller number is -5. First write +2 again minus smaller number is -5. That means minus minus plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now answer is +7. By observation method, from Q to B, distance between Q to B, number of points between Q and B. Let's count. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now answer is 7. In this way we will solve from example 1 to 8. Now see the question number 2. The coordinates of A is X and that of B is Y, and find distance between AB. Now here X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 7. That means coordinate of X, that means coordinate of A is +1 and coordinate of B is Y, that means +7. We have to find distance between AB, that means subtract smaller number from larger number. Now here smaller number is -1 and larger number is +7. Distance between AB is 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Similarly, we have to find distance between 2 points AB, that means coordinates of X is 6 and values of Y is -2. That means coordinate of A is 6 and coordinate of B is -2. Now here a larger number is 6 and smaller number is -2. We have to find difference between larger number and smaller number. First take larger number is 6, again minus smaller number is -2. That means 6 minus minus plus, that means 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Answer between 2 points AB is 8. In this way we solve the remaining example. Okay, stop here. If you any doubt, then ask me and solve this all example and send me. Okay, thank you.